High-level meeting on security chaired by Amit Shah with spurt in violence. Home Minister Amit Shah chairs a high-level meeting of BSF, CRPF, DG, NSA and several others are present in this meeting. There's a Home Ministry meeting on this. We'll get you the latest details in just about a bit. Kamaljeet is now joining us for the latest on this breaking story that is coming in. Kamaljeet, tell us who all are present at the security meeting and what action is the Home Ministry planning to take now?
Well, a high-level meet is underway, chaired by Home Minister Amit Shah. In the meeting are NSA Ajit Doval, as well as the IB and the RAW Chief. And besides that, we also know CRPF as well as BSF Chief. We also spoke to Kuldeep Singh as he was just entering inside, and he said that law and order is being taken care by Jammu Kashmir Police. This is obviously going to be a huge cause of concern. Spurt in civilian killings, targeted killings. These are soft targets being chosen, whether it's in Srinagar, in Bandipora, across in South Kashmir. This is obviously a deliberate strategy as far as terrorists are concerned, and they are picking up minorities. There have been also killings of at least 18 Muslims. So this goes to show that now soft targets are being chosen by terrorists. Obviously, this is a frustrated move since they cannot really attack security forces who give them retaliation. Here is picking up on those people who are unarmed, who are civilians, and these kind of cold-blooded, dastardly attack taking place. And this particular one today is in a school in Sangam, where a school principal and a teacher were killed in a boys' school. This happened early this morning at around 11 o'clock. The bodies were there and they were rushed to Sora Hospital, where they were brought dead or declared brought dead. This is obviously something which has to be taken care of. Now, the Home Ministry is conducting a high security level meeting, which is a pre-scheduled meeting. Yesterday, LG Manoj Sinha took a meeting of DGP, the IGP and senior officials in Jammu Kashmir Police. Now, many people are asking for accountability, but also the fact that there seems to be a spurt in violence in Srinagar city as well. This is going to be a huge cause of concern, considering that there have been ramifications, whether we know there is the Taliban takeover of Afghanistan, the Pakistan's move as far as the FATF is concerned. They've already been grey-listed, continue to push in terrorists. One of them was caught alive in the Uri sector just recently. All this an indication that Pakistan wants to vitiate atmosphere in Jammu and Kashmir. But clearly, this is going to strike terror in the heart of the people, especially of those people who are from minority, also those people who are pro-government voices, and all those who are obviously talking about how everything is normal. And remember, this is going to be a huge challenge in the coming few months, because once the snow melts, there would be difficulty in infiltration. However, now that J&K is looking at not just in spurt of violence, but also in infiltration attempts, this is a clear strategy of
thanks for getting us those details right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. Kamaljeet leading the story. She's got all the updates as they take place. The high-level Home Ministry meeting is the latest update that she's reporting at this point of time. Moving on now.